Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sana. You are watching Sana Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to teach you how to fix calculator app lagging, not working on iPhone iOS 17 without wasting any time. Let's start this video. Solution number 1, restart your iPhone. Press the volume up button, press the volume down button and press the power button. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, and release the power button and starting your iPhone, and problem is fixed. If solution number 1 is not working, now applying the solution number 2. Solution number 2 is check your calculator app updates. Firstly, tap on App Store, search calculator, tap on calculator, check the app updates. If app updates are available, updates your app and problem is fixed. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying the solution number 3. Solution number 3 is reset all setting. Firstly, tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up, tap on general, scroll up, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset setting, tap on reset all setting, enter your iPhone passcode, reset all setting. This will reset all settings. No data or media will be deleted. Tap on reset all setting and problem is fixed. If solution number 3 is not working, now applying the solution number 4. Solution number 4 is check iOS update. Firstly, tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up, tap on general, tap on software update. If update is available, download and install the update and problem is fixed. How to fix calculator app lagging, not working on iPhone iOS 17 is successfully. That's it. If the video helpful to you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.